I made all these tees with plain old copy paper. No adhesive powder, no shaker oven, no marrying an A sheet and a B sheet, just copy paper, sorta.
This is T-Shirt Help Desk.
The easiest t-shirt printing ever? DTF, DTG, white toner, vinyl. Which one do you choose? These are white toner printers, the 560 and the 650. You've probably seen me do magic with one of these things. But what if I told you it does everything? It's the Swiss Army knife of printing. Now they both make these kind of tees, but we're gonna focus on the 650. And what kind of tees am I talking about? Sublimation. To turn your white toner printer into a sublimation printer, just open it up, take out your standard toner and replace them with sublimation toner. Do all the colors and replace the white toner with black sublimation toner and you're golden.
I believe you did this, bro. Oh, I got it.
Once that's done, power your printer back on, it initializes every toner color, and you are ready to print. Sublimation paper, no need, you just can use any random paper. I got this from Staples. And sublimation ink that you have to replace after a few prints, no need. This uses the toner we loaded. And did you know that these toner cartridges last for thousands of prints? That's right, thousands. So now we load our paper into the printer just like so. Get our artwork ready and hit print. And these are normal prints, all right, except for you reverse them. This is Muhammad Ali versus Bruce Lee, Power Man, Harlem.
We have Kendrick Lamar, Be Humble.
We have some anime Gundam stuff and the Kale t-shirt made famous by Beyonce. I think that's my personal favorite right there. Now let's get into this t-shirt issue. It's very difficult to sublimate black blanks. Technically, you can do black blanks, but your artwork won't show up. It's like putting colored paint on a black canvas. As a result, people think you can only do white tees. But no, today we are going to print on colors.
Okay guys, one of the biggest myths that I feel is in sublimation is that you can't do colors. Or if you do colors, you have to add bleach. You can, but you can print on colors like these that are more in the lighter tones and get beautiful graphics, all right? And also, everything that you see right here is not 100% poly. They have a high poly content, but they're not 100%.
Yes, with sublimation, you must use polyester or at least high polyester content tees. All right, we have these, which are white. We're gonna do one white shirt just to show you what white looks like, and it is 100% polyester. The rest of these are gonna be 65-35 or 50-50. And sign up for the T-Shirt Help Desk newsletter and get the T-Shirt Business Quick Start Guide. We go over choosing a niche, designing shirts, marketing and promotion, buying blanks, pricing, creating an online store, and so much more. And it's free. Link in description.
And as long as you have some poly, at least 50%, and these are all either 50 or 65%, okay? You can get something that looks great, all right? And if you're doing retro style graphics or distress style graphics, which are really popular, it actually, in my opinion, adds to the look, okay? These are all by Gildan, all right? All of these, except for this one, are Heather. And the reason why Heathers are great is because they have a high poly content and you can put bleach on them. This one right here is just, it's like a tan. We're gonna put something nice on this. It's like a tan, and it is Gildan dry blend, and it is 50-50. The rest of these, okay, are Gildan soft style Heather. It must be Heather, all right? Gildan Heathers, all right, which you can sublimate on, and if you wanna add bleach to pop out the colors, it turns a nice, pretty, a nice pretty white for the most part. And that is it, all right? And we, is that green, pretty green, we are going to do some sublimation, all right? Let's go.
Everybody's favorite part, printing. So we're gonna break out our HTVRONT Autopress 2, and we're gonna get out our art, and we're just gonna cut the edges. We're gonna get our alignment ruler and get it nice and square. These are gonna be back in stock really soon. Now you see me taping this down as a precaution, but with white toner sublimation, you don't need to tape it down because the sublimation toner actually acts as a glue. So once you press it down, it sticks really good. So now we're just gonna push that in, and we're gonna hit that for 400 degrees heavy pressure, 1 minute. Pull it out. Now the toner helps it stick, so let's peel it while it's good and hot. And then we're gonna pull it off. And look at that, guys. Look at how cool that looks. Really nice retro Japanese Gundam anime shirt. And guys, these have no hand feel at all, and they never wash out at all because the color is in the shirt.
We interrupt this video to bring you a special message. What is sublimation? Let's say you have these tennis balls as artwork. To print it, place it on a shirt and press it with heat. The heat turns that ink into a gas. That gas infuses into the shirt, not just on the shirt, but into the fabric. In 60 seconds, the shirt is printed. Simply put, sublimation transfers pigment into a gas and back to pigment on a surface. Simple as that. Now, back to our regularly scheduled programming.
We did a white 100% poly shirt with the Kendrick Lamar Be Humble graphic, and we did a Bruce Lee versus Muhammad Ali. Look at how awesome that looked on that tan graphic. And then we did the Power Man Harlem shirt, OMG. And now we're doing the Kale t-shirt, which is really, really popular. And of course, made popular by Beyonce. Oh yeah. Look at how beautiful these shirts came out. Vibrant, rich. Okay, you don't need to do black. You don't need to do bleach. You can do it all with sublimation and colored tees. White toner printers are incredible and they do virtually everything. The sublimation toner is an extra charge, but guys, this is an investment, all right? And check out this video on white toner printers. You're gonna really enjoy it. Gonna put some butter on my shoes and slide on out the door. Peace.
T-shirt help desk.